Hey, what's up, Axie Infinity? So this is the live price prediction of Axie Infinity, and absolutely, my friend, the Axie Infinity price will increasing totally hour by hour, minute by minute. So therefore, I'm really impressed from Axie Infinity, and definitely I have a plan to invest more and more. Let's get started a brand video, my friend. In this video, I will give you something more information about Axie Infinity. And yes, my brother, yes. In this video also I am predicate this coin to in upcoming days can Axie Infinity price will jump up or the price will falls down. So everything is going to be very important for Axie Infinity holder. So you will need, my friends, to watch this video completely to understand better now. And remember, yes my brothers, remember to this is not a financial video. I just advise you. My friend, the last 3 days chart is on the screen, and 6.5% the price will increasing now. So therefore, I am very impressed, and absolutely it's a very good news for all Axie Infinity holders, because the price is totally increasing now, and definitely there is 100% chances to in upcoming days the Axie Infinity price will increase more and more now. 81.41 USD dollar is the latest highest price, at 76.59 USD dollar is the my friend current price. So remember to this price is absolutely very cheap now. That's mean to the price will fails down in previous days, but I am 100% sure 6.5%, if they just only get 10% profit in every 3 days. So I am 100% sure to in 2 days, my friends, they will give you again 81.41 USD dollar. So please, this is all just and only depends on you. If you are starting investing, if you are hold, so 100% I am 100% give you guarantee to the price will increasing, and they will give you 10% profit. But remember to in the last 10 days of every month every coin will increasing, the price will increasing. So therefore, whether in those days I am 100% sure to the price will increasing now. So if you have any plan to buy more, then easily go now, buy fast buy, my friend, because the price is totally increasing. So the price in this time also very cheap now. I think you can see here, my friend, they will 5 to 6 USD dollar, my friend, they will lost now in those days. So therefore I am 100% sure they will easily recover this in upcoming days now. Just in only 7 to 8 days they will recover this all now. So kindly holder, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. See you next time holder. Please like video and subscribe channel.